And that is progress for you. 6 months ago, all that were fields. That's going to be one of the biggest Amazon depots in Europe, apparently. It'll not be long before the encroaching on this wood, because on the other side you've got the graveyard coming down, and there's not going to be much left. Well, a couple of days ago I was up here with my dogs, and what it was, a stag roe deer come running up here, and there's an house there, and jumped over the fence and went onto the garden. Now there was a doe with it. Now the doe turned round here and run down this way. Now Angus picked it up other side of this tree, run down here, and in a matter of from there to here he stopped, came back and opened up his chest that's needed, you know, 38 to 40 stitches, staples. So I'm going to have a look, see what caused this damage. It's cost us a fortune. Well, it must have been brambles that took his chest out, you know, or he's running to one of these broken branches. But anyway, just walking through there, you know what I mean, you get a little snag on these bramblings and it'll take your coat right out. And I've been using, there's two great holes, and I've been using the old rat stick as well to clear it away. But now I'm going to collect a few cones, get back. Well, that's damage it did. He's got 40 staples going down there. Look at all bruising. He must have hit something really hard. He's rearing to go though, ladders. Well, I mean, he's arse bound till them staples are out. Well, it's going to be a quick repair on coat with a bit of gaffer tape. There is another one down there, but I'll do that when I'm not holding camera. Good stuff, brilliant stuff, gaffer tape. I'll go a few drinks down here. The knives that I brought down is these old ones. I mean, this is one from that ancient warrior at Scarborough. I've already had one of these, and I mean they're not bad knives for price. I think they were $9.95 or whatever. This was another one of them. I was battening some wood and it snapped over there, so I grinded it down. This is joystick holder, and I do quite like this knife actually. I mean, it'll batten all these little sticks here. It's made a few feather sticks. I'm out with Zubat, Fiscus X5, and them knives come with a crap sheath, them black sheath. So I mod my own. I had a ferro rod, and this is a sheath that I made out of a bit of an old leather belt for this one here. I have cut a few bit of wood, and I have got fire on. There is quite a bit of deadfall down here at the moment, so I've been collecting a bit. Birds are coming round. I'm going to get on my things. It's 12 o'clock and it just looks as though this storm Dennis just started to arrive, putting the fire out. Well, in here I've got some chicken fillets, gonna get them on grill. Got some baked taters there. and I'm going to get a bit of a meal on. It's raining a bit, but no big storm. Got chickens on. Baked tates are in here. And I think that storm Dennis is slowly moving in. It's 3 o'clock, Middle England, and I'm still waiting for this storm Dennis. Yeah, if you stood on top of an hill, you know what I mean, I could like make out a hard time, you know. We're not having much on it at the moment, so I've come out to see if I'm missing it. Okay, I can't stick with this in like quite a perfect basis in the day. It's only the canopy that sways, and quite serene down there actually. Anyway, I've got my bacon on and my taters and some chicken on. So I'm just going to put a few fire logs for my burner. So I'll catch you when I'm back down there. Well, we're having a bit of rain. Like I say, I mean, it's dead serene down here. All that wind ends up in them in that canopy there. I've slowly got my chicken on. I'm making a bit of a meal with that later. Just cooking it slow. In here, I'm just taking all them wooden stakes out that back end and leaving just that bit of polythene up. So I've mended me this seat, quite comfortable that is, and I've also got myself an hammock up here. It's all good. Well, I'm adding a couple of rashers of bacon to chicken, wrap it back up. Get back on fire. Well, we are having a lot of rain, so what I've done, I've changed my pan into an oven, well warm that is. Anyway, I've got my chicken and bacon in there and a couple of baked spuds. I've got some spuds in there as well for later on, and I'll give that 20 minutes or so. Well, there's my bacon and chicken. So what I'm going to do is get some barbecue sauce. Some barbecue sauce on it, like that. Need a good spread out, and then add some cheese like I've done that one there. I've got to cut a bit more. I've just been joined by young Joe without the guitar, so we're just going to get around this fire, eat this snap, and hopefully this. I'm gonna try and get this squirrel, but I don't know whether I'll get him today. Well, cooking in Storm Dennis. I've got some peas on in the pan, my chicken and bacon and barbecue sauce, cheese there. I've got some baked taters there. I think we're about ready to eat. Well, that's what we're having. Some Hunter's chicken, potatoes, some lurpak on, and I'm going to get some peas over that. And that's dinner. Hunter's chicken, baked taters, peas, loads of lurpak, and some bread. That one's for Joe, that one's mine. This wind's getting up now, fire's on, cooking in Storm Dennis. And I have to say it, that is perfect. Them taters, peas with barbecue, chicken and bacon. Gorgeous. Well, I went to the Pot Road to guide somebody in, and yeah, it is a bit windier up here. So I won't say it would go forth winds. You can't see trees swaying. Anyway, just hanging about. Well, it's 2:20, Saturday night. Camp Stupid is absolutely flooded out. It's not a very good torch on this actually. But anyway, I've got young. Look at this. Look at it. I've got young Joe Gallagher fast asleep in here. Look at this. I mean, he could come out. He could come out and have a bath in this tomorrow. And a bloke who's turned up that got lost several times. It's Johnny outdoors. How you doing, Johnny? Yeah. This storm, Dennis. Camp Stupid is flooded. And me and Johnny's just having a drink and talking bollocks, really, aren't we? Storm Dennis. Morning. Oh yeah. The storm came. There was more rain than hotels. Alright here drinking with Joe. Joe went to bed pretty early actually. With Johnny outdoors now. I don't know what happened, but we just like the next thing we were just talking, no filming. The next thing that I know at 20 to 6. Camp Stupid is flooded. I'll get up and show you about. I don't know if Johnny's still here, and I don't know if anybody's still here. But well, everything's stopped now. There's no rain. There's no wind. Joe's gone. I don't know what time he's gone. It's about 10 o'clock now. He must have left fire in before he gone. Johnny's still asleep. Just hanging about really, just feeling rough. I'm feeling a bit delicate this morning, and this is what was all burnt out of a Camp Stupid last night. All these steaks here, all that's there now is that polythene. John was in here last night. Very muddy night, a lot of rain. But now build's held up. Joe left early this morning. Me and John were still in bed. Now John's come down, and look at this that he gave me here. He gave me this little buck knife here. This knife here that I'm going to make a sheath for. I mean, I love old knives like that. A rabbit skinner. But then look at this. I mean, he's stood behind me. You feel a bit of a idiot doing them, but like, what can you say? You know, I mean, when blokes come down to Camp Stupid and they gear, this is brand new, and they gear things like this as a gift. You don't know what to say really. Apart from, you know, you appreciate it and it's respect the bloke. But look at that, that's gorgeous knife, that is. Bushmaster. And that, I could shape with that. That is sharp, that one is. Anyway, fire's gone out. We're packing things up. Well, I'm all packed up, it's all battened down. Last night, more of a talking camp than a filming camp. But anyway, there's still a few burns left out here. We did burn a bit out of Camp Stupid, but it's still here at the moment. About 3 or 4 camps left. So, we're on his way. We'll go to the pub for some dinner. Till next time, bye.